Welcome to session number 6. In this final session for the class Peace Contributive Diplomacy, we are going to look at Korea's peace diplomacy way forward. We are living in the era of comprehensive security, where security issues and actors are becoming complex and diverse. As we enter the era of comprehensive security, non-traditional security threats such as cyber hacking, climate change, and infectious diseases have affected efficiency and reliability of peacekeeping operations. In addition, amid recent rapid changes in the global supply chain, the security aspects of economic diplomacy and science and technology diplomacy are being emphasized as non-traditional security. Therefore, the United Nations is promoting detailed tasks for more efficient peacekeeping activities through the 2018 Action for Peacekeeping and A4P+. Now let us go back to the story of Korea. The establishment of the government after liberation, war, and armistice. A search for security guarantees placed the security diplomacy at the center of Korea's diplomacy for a long time. The global balance of power has changed, and Korea's role in the global security has also changed. Korea hosted the 2021 UN Peacekeeping Ministerial Meeting, and at the meeting in Seoul, Korea promised practical contributions to strengthen UN peacekeeping operations. And in the meeting, the Seoul Initiatives were proposed with 6 major pledges. The 6 pledges are: first, Smart Camp Pilot Project. Second, dispatch of medical support team, particularly in South Sudan. Third, support for engineer and landmine removal training. Fourth, donation of helicopters. Fifth, hosting training course for female officers. And finally, sixth, dispatch of additional police personnel. The pledges emphasize the importance of capacity building based on partnership in a complex security environment. However, there is a considerable amount of negative public opinion about participating in international peacekeeping missions that seem unrelated to our national interests, whether it is UN-led or sending multinational forces. Both fronts of social awareness and global peace policy needs to be worked on. Security public diplomacy, or security soft power, would be a good approach. Paradoxical, it may sound, but military power can be used to strengthen non-military soft power. Security public diplomacy can secure trust and consensus among the public, both at home and abroad by carrying out security missions to achieve global peace. Soft power is not just a diplomatic activity practiced outside the realm of power and money. Military and peace engagement can be a useful tool for soft power by building trust through communication and a constructive engagement. The social development activities of Dongmyeong Unit and Hanbit units are fully demonstrating such potential. This is the end of the final session of a course, Peace. In this course, we had a look at Korea's peace contributive diplomacy. Thank you.